Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello your World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set or insert occupation icons in Microsoft Word in Windows 11. So for this case we will open a Microsoft Word file. So here already I have opened it. So we will go the insert options, here the icons we will click. Now we will go the below sections where it has, so here the occupations, so click this. Here the lots of occupations icons are presenting here, so click multiple or single, then insert this. See, the thing has been revealed. So in this way we can move, see, we can move it easily from this way. Now we will work one file, see, and we will do write something. See, the icons has been revealed from the open front side and the written part has been revealed in the back side. So click here for deleting options. So now we will do the graphics format. So how it will work, so it will work in this way. Graphics, now go to the fill. Before that we have to mark or selected the icons. So here already I had. So now fill. So what kinds of fill? See, fill this color. We can also do the more fill customization as well as the standard width. So see, if you wanna the gray orange is not heavy, is uh, easy color. Now we will press the OK. See, the color has been decreases. So now we will do the outline. So how, before that we'll mark, then the border side. See, the border side has been revealed in this way. We can do lots of things like weighted, the size, the increasing and decreasing, the dashes. So how it will work, see, the dashes has been more line. Also we can do these things in this way. Now we will do the graphic effects. So how, see, the effects, presets or 3D options, we also click from the here. Also this here, the here the 3D rotation. So see, the 3D rotation also been revealed in this way. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.